Good afternoon, everyone, or rather good evening, at least in Colombia, in Barranquilla. Today I will do something unusual, unpacking, but not unpacking any electronics or anything. I never did it, by the way, but unpacking the grocery, actually just fruits. This video was inspired by my friend, by my friend Yola. So thank you, Yola, for inspiration. Because we've been discussing the cost of living in other countries. So let's go with unpacking. I don't know if there's a big difference, but I'm in Colombia, Barranquilla. Probably prices vary a little bit in between different cities, Colombia, like in Bogota, in Medellin, or Barranquilla here. But this is what I did buy for $4 and I think 70 something cents. Oh, by the way, I am making this video in my Airbnb in Barranquilla, which was $24 per night. But about this one will be different story, because I would like to make a video of the building, not only Airbnb, but I can show you just a glimpse of how the Airbnb looks like. So this is my $24 per night Airbnb with a nice balcony, quite modern. Let me show you a balcony also. It's a 5th floor. So this is like a living room, the kitchen, all with open kitchen, bedroom, another TV, and quite nice bathroom with a nice cabin and interesting shower head. And additionally to that, guess what? Walk-in closet. Okay, I don't want to share this mess. This mess is not me. This is just supplies for the host from Airbnb. But there's something else in this apartment which is not everywhere. Okay, kitchen is very nice, by the way. I mean, my last Airbnb in Bogota was even better. I will do a separate video about this. But kitchen is pretty decent. But here is the laundry, if I would like to make a laundry. Okay, so that's about the Airbnb. Let's go to unpacking less than $5 shopping bag with fruits. So here is our less than $5 shopping bag with the fruits. Let's start from the small but sweet pineapple. Of course, bananas. I don't know how many, it's like a 5. Here is something that I really love, passion fruit. I mean, I think it's a passion fruit. I didn't check. So I got like a 4 of those. Sorry, I have no idea. But I had it before, and I think I didn't hate it. Quite pleasant fruits. I did get also 4 or 3 oranges and small mangoes. I prefer the small mangoes because they are very, very, very sweet and much more aromatic. And by the way, if you could be here and smell it, you know how nice it all smells. So anyway, this is all less than $5. 1 pineapple, 5 bananas, 3 oranges, few mangoes, passion fruit, 4 passion fruits, and some unidentified fruits, which I will identify later.